Step into the 2006 Dodge Ram 3500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.